All right, everybody, Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to burn a carpet seam. So I already rode and put both edges together. Now I got my seam iron hot and ready to go. And we'll peel back one side, lift up the other, set the iron in there, right on the tape. Now, personally, I burn my seams hot. I like that iron set at 3.5, 4. That way I can just speed up the process and keep moving forward. But if you're the DIY type, or if this is your first time, set your iron to 2, 2.5, so it gives you a little more time to work with it. And just let it sit there 8 to 10 seconds if you're burning hot. Slide it an iron's length forward. And then put the carpet together. And when you put it together, you want to make sure you're going backing to backing without dropping any of the fibers down into that hot glue there. And then just continue sliding it an iron's length forward each time. Put the backing together. I'm not a big fan of tractors unless I absolutely have to use them. I just use my fingers, kind of feel it to make sure that it's going together well, and keep moving forward. Get you another view here. Now you can see what it looks like from the other side of the iron. And if you have any strings or hairs popping up from your cut, just take your knife or a pair of scissors, whatever you're using, and trim those up after the fact. Typically, you could do it while you're burning the seam, but I set my knife over there, so I'm gonna do it afterwards. But that's it. That's all there is to it. And once you're done burning the seam, give it roughly 10 minutes. Give that tape time to cool, and once it's cool, you're good to go. So, the key thing with your seams, make sure you get your cut right. I have other videos showing how to do that. Comment below if you have any questions about the flooring industry. I'll create a video for you. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.